a personal AOL account on issues related to Homeland Security and other sensitive issues. His email account was hacked by apparently a scammer.
I mean, Hillary Clinton, good heavens. And you have this private email server that in between all that, so it's not subject to public disclosure to see what was going on.
No charges are appropriate in this case. There is evidence that they were extremely careless in their handling of very sensitive, highly classified information.
There's no comparison whatsoever between Hillary Clinton's practice of having a private server, mishandling classified information, destroying emails when they were requested by the Congress and by officials. We have fully complied with all Indiana's laws.